Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. Today I'm making a very healthy and yummy parsley salad. First, let me show you which part of the parsley bunch I used for this salad. You just break the tender, parsley sprigs and then discard the hard stem. Then you wash the leaves and put it into a colander and let the water drain. You also need 2 medium tomatoes, a quarter of an onion and a cucumber and some lime. Now chop the parsley into small pieces. I used 2 bunches of parsley. Also some black pepper, apple cider vinegar and also some salt. Now add the chopped parsley into a large bowl. Then add a sliced onion, sliced tomatoes and the sliced cucumber. Also add the black pepper and some salt. Also add some apple cider vinegar. You can even use the regular vinegar. Then add some lime. Now mix everything together. At this point, check your salt, black pepper and the lime. This is dry coconut powder. You can even use some fresh grated coconut. If you don't like to add coconut, instead you can even add some ranch dressing if you want. Now mix everything together. So this is my healthy and yummy parsley salad. Hope you enjoyed watching and hope you will also make it like this and enjoy. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.